What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and we're in the Tahoe, guys. We're in the Tahoe today. But before we get started, guys, I want to talk about the giveaway. I'm actually giving away the Titan window that I have bought for my truck a while back. I ended up selling the truck, so I don't need it. And I have a bunch of parts, guys, that, you know, since I just moved, I have a lot of parts, guys, that I just don't need no more, and I just don't want laying around. So all those parts, guys, are gonna be coming up, you know, for a giveaway. Most of the parts are used. The window, guys, is used, but you know, I'm pretty sure somebody would like it, and I'm trying to, you know, help somebody out, you know, with a little bit on their build. You know, maybe the Titan window is the last piece for their build. Maybe it's the first piece for their build. But I think it'll be a nice piece for somebody to have. I know they're kind of expensive, guys, and even to install they're a little bit expensive. But you know, we'll work out the details. You know, when we get there. The only thing you have to do, guys, is follow me on Instagram. Obviously, follow me on here on YouTube. Subscribe. We're gonna be doing most of the stuff. It's gonna be off of Instagram, guys, but you do have to be subscribed to the channel. If you follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is just the same as my as here as YouTube, but you add TBSS at the end, so it's Justaclonetbss. That's my Instagram name, guys. Justaclonetbss. So if you want to go check it out, you can. You know, it's simple, guys. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You gotta screenshot proof and tag me on your story, and you gotta tag 3 friends on the post, guys. Not on here, on the post. And we're gonna be going live, guys, in a month. Maybe right after the shootout, guys. I'm still not sure on the exact date, but y'all stay posted for that. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be on the 14th. I think it falls on the weekend, guys. It's like exactly like a month from now. I'm not really sure. I didn't really look at the date, but we're gonna get started on this video, guys, and I want to show y'all what happened to me with the Trailblazer. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know. It sucks, but at least you're still here. So let's talk about it, guys. Let's go check out the Trailblazer and see what we could do. We'll probably do a junkyard run today. If not, we're just gonna be working on the Tahoe. We're gonna be removing the roof rack for sure, and I want to add some decals to the back window, just like I did to the Trailblazer. I know the shootout, guys, is like a month away, like 3 weeks, and I'm not planning of doing nothing major, because I'm to the trucks, because last year, man, I tried doing something major to the trucks right before the show, and I missed the show. I also want to let y'all know, guys, the quality of the videos are gonna be, you know, they're coming up a little bit. My girlfriend was real nice enough to get a Canon for me, and I'm still working on the details, guys. I'm not using it on this video because you know, here where I moved, I still don't have internet, so I will have to edit the video on the laptop and upload it from there. And I'm still don't have Wi-Fi. I still don't have internet here. But we getting everything sorted out, guys. And I know a lot of y'all asked me if I'm giving away some Trailblazer parts. I do have Trailblazer parts, guys, but they're not Trailblazer SS parts, guys. You know, they're hard to come around. But I do have some regular turn signal mirrors with the amber bottoms, not the dark, not the smoke bottoms. And I'm gonna be giving those away. And I'm gonna be giving away also a 3-piece window for the Dodge for all my Mopar fans out there. And we see what else we, you know, run into, guys. I still haven't cleaned out my truck all the way. You know, I just threw everything in there when we moved. But yeah, guys, this is, I guess it's enough rambling, and let's get this video started. Let's go check out the Trailblazer. All right, guys, so right here, like two days ago, I had my Trailblazer parked right here, and now it's inside. But I let the truck out, guys, and like they say over here, they poked it. They tried to steal it, guys, and I'm glad they didn't, because it still has all my stuff in there, like personal stuff. I haven't really unloaded the truck. I haven't unloaded the truck, guys, so man, I would have been missing out on a lot of things. But let me show you what happened. So as you can tell, guys, I still haven't unloaded the truck, like at all. Like, you know, it's still packed down. I got a bunch of stuff like shoes, you know, kitchen shit, a lot of parts and stuff. But look at this, guys. Look at that. Yeah, it sucks, guys. It sucks. You know, I've been working hard on this. I've been working real hard on just for somebody to come and, you know, tear my shit up like this. It sucks, guys, but I'm gonna get it fixed, and we're actually gonna be installing a kill switch on this truck and on the Tahoe. I know they're not the biggest, I know they're not the cleanest, I know they're not the fastest or whatever, guys, but I can afford to lose one of these trucks, guys. You know, this is the only 2 trucks I have, and it sucks, but it is what it is. Yeah, guys, that shit sucks right there, guys. Man, I worked hard to get it where it was, or where it is, and you know, it's fucked up. It's fucked up that somebody will just come and you know, take all your hard work like that, you know, in a couple of seconds. But I'm glad that they couldn't take it. They fucked up all that shit under the steering column, but ain't no biggie, guys. I'm gonna get that shit straightened out. But let's go check out the window, guys, and after that we're probably gonna get rolling. We're probably gonna start heading out, see what's up. All right, guys, so I apologize about the echo. I don't have no furniture in here as of yet, so that's why I think it echoes a little bit. But I'm gonna show you the Titan window, guys. So this is the window, guys. This is the window right here. The window is used. I've been having this window for a good while now, but it's complete, guys. It comes with the regulator and everything, the switch and everything. Like I said, guys, everything you have to do is follow the rules. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, tag me on your story, screenshot, tag me on your story, and tag 3 friends on the post. That's all you have to do, guys. That's it, guys. If you want to have a chance to win the window, it's simple. I'm not asking to buy merch. I'm not asking y'all to buy anything. The only thing I'm asking y'all is to subscribe to my channel, tag a couple of friends, tag me on your story, and you have a chance to win the Titan window. If you're from Houston, you know, I'll give it to you personally. And then if you're out of state, or you know, out of Houston, out of the area, I will ship it. So there you go, guys. But let's get this day started, and let's get rolling. All right, guys. So we made it out here to the junkyard. Man, there ain't shit. There ain't shit, man. Came too late. I ain't gonna lie. I had a late start. Need bail. That's what I get for fucking bullshit. There was a Denali. I wanted to grab the cluster. There was an Escalade just came in. I wanted the cluster. Either or, but fuck. Need better, bro. So we're gonna keep walking around. Try to see what we can find, any goodies. Maybe we'll find something that we can give away. You never know. But we're gonna keep walking, guys, and see what's up. Alright, guys, so I'm on my way out. I didn't find shit. I got this intake thing that I'm missing on the Trailblazer, and this lens. Dirty, but I cleaned it up a little bit. It's just one side, the driver's side. I'm gonna be looking for the passenger side. I'm gonna turn the mirrors into SS mirrors, the ones I have, the ones I want to give away. They got ambers, and I'm gonna see if I can find these smoke ones. It's dirty, but I'll clean them up. They look good. So we're gonna go head out, see how much it charges for this. Hopefully it's not a lot. Shouldn't be, but we'll see. So what's up, guys? We made it out the junkyard, and I didn't get the lens, guys, for the mirror. Hombre, wey, quería 25 bucks. She wanted 25 bucks or 20 some. It was like 23 and some change just for the lens, and I was like, nah, that's too much. You know, they're like 40 bucks new, like 40 some new. I seen them online not too long ago. If I'm not mistaken, they're like 50 bucks. I know that for sure. They're brand new, you know, like brand new. So I was like, it's not worth it. So I ended up leaving that, and I ended up grabbing that little intake piece that I was missing off my truck, and I had to go back in, guys. I went back in, and I got the ignition switch, and I got the ignition switch and the little door. I don't know what it's called, the little thing for the door, so you can lock and unlock your door. And it's all OEM. It's an OEM key. It's a Chevy key. I seen them online, guys, and just the ignition itself, they're like 60 bucks, and it has that little weird key, that like the little slim key. So she gave me that for 15 bucks. So I was like, man, that's a deal. So I took that, and I took the little intake. I was looking for a little bit more stuff, some goodies. I actually wanted to get us a couple of clusters. That's what I had gone for, but by the time I got there, they were gone. So it is what it is, guys. Fuck it, no pasa nada. I'm about to go ahead, guys. I'm over here at my girl's job. It's already 4. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the roof rack right now, guys. I want to get something done, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove the roof rack and put the screws back in and make sure it's not leaking or starts leaking in here or anything like that. So let's get started with that, and hopefully you enjoy this video. Alright, guys, so it's fairly simple. If you don't know how to take these off, it has like a little screw right here. They're like stars, I don't know, something like that. So you take this one off, and I think after this, this thing pops off, this little cover, and it has like another one somewhere right here, and then right here in the middle, it has, I think, one, and I think it has 2 at the end on each side. It's identical on each side. So we're gonna take these off, and these are actually like star heads. I don't know, it's a T something. I think it's like a T27, it says, I think. No, it's a little bit too big. T25, let's try a T25. Yeah, guys, it's a T25. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and get these started, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, before we take off the roof rack, we're gonna take a last look of the truck with it on, and we'll go from there. We'll do a comparison of with it on and with it off. So that's how it looks with it on, guys. Probably can't see it all that good. But let's start taking it off. So that side's all loose, guys. I don't know if I can tell. It's all loose. I just gotta do this side. And this is the cap I'm telling you you have to remove, because it has one right here, right under it, and the other one's right there. And like I said, guys, it's a star. It's a T25, and it's fairly easy. Just twist them off. And I got these Allen wrenches, guys. I got them at Harbor Freight. It came a pack of 3. It came with a star, a metric, and a standard size for like $7. If you're happy to looking for some, Harbor Freight is the way to go. So there she is, guys. Now I just gotta put the screws back on. But man, I like the look. I like it. It gives it like a sporty look. I know the Tahoe are nothing near a sports car, a sports look, a sports truck, or anything, but she looks a lot better without it, in my opinion. What do y'all think? Alright guys, so we're putting back the little screws. I got like 2 more to go. Hopefully I can see. I know the sun, I'm facing the sun, so hopefully I can see it good. I'm missing that middle one, like right there, and gotta finish putting in that one. But I think she looks better. Obviously we need to clean the spots where the plastic were sitting, but other than that, she's looking good. She's looking good. The elote man came by. You know, you can't miss on our elote. Shout out to him. But let's get these screws in and call it a day. So what y'all think, guys? The rack is off. I think it looks pretty good. I like it. I like the I guess the smooth look. It changed it up a little bit. Hopefully y'all like it, but y'all drop y'all's comments. Let me know what y'all think. You know, let me get y'all's feedback on this. Should I put it back on? Should I leave it on? Should I leave it off? But yeah, guys, before I end this video, I also wanted to talk about the giveaway, guys. I was looking at the calendar, and we're gonna be doing the giveaway, guys, a little bit over a month from now. You have plenty of time to tag and share everybody. I'm gonna be going live on Instagram on April 11th, guys. It's a Saturday, April 11th, around I guess 7, sometime in the afternoon. And like I said, guys, in the beginning of the video, the only thing you have to do is follow my Instagram, subscribe to my channel, screenshot proof, and tag me in your story, and tag 3 friends on my Instagram post, and that's it, guys. Other than that, guys, you know, you could be winning a tiding window. And if you're not from Houston, like I said, guys, you know, I'm gladly will ship it out to you. And if you're in Houston, you know, I'll drop it off, or you can pick it up. It really don't matter. But I'm trying to just, you know, get out there, guys, and I'm thinking maybe this could help me out a little bit. There's more parts to come, guys. I have a lot of parts just laying around that I just don't need no more. Don't have the use for it, or whatever the situation is. But if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget, guys, God is good. Keep pushing. Don't forget, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we see you in the next one.